Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. The max function or the maximum function. When you have long lists of data, to find the highest value among the list, max function can be used. Let us do with a short example. From among these four numbers, we want to find the maximum value. We start with an equal sign and we type in max, open brackets, select the range of cells that we want to apply max function on, and close the brackets and hit enter. It shows us the highest number in this cell. We can do this horizontally as well. Equals, max, open brackets, select the four cells that we want to perform the function on, close brackets and hit enter. It shows us the maximum value in this range. Max is a very handy function when we are using it on long list of data. Similar to the max function, we have min function, that is minimum function. To find the lowest value or the minimum value among a list, we can use the min function. To do that, we start with the equal sign, type in min, open brackets, type in the first cell, colon, type in the last cell, close brackets, hit enter, and you'll see the smallest number from among this range, which in this case is 100. Similarly, we can do this horizontally, starting with equals, min, open brackets, f5, colon i5, close brackets, hit enter. It shows us the lowest or the minimum value, 200. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this knowledge with your friends, family, and colleagues. See you in the next one.